When your senses rebel, when the outer world insists, nothing has changed. That is the sign the bridge is firm beneath your steps, because resistance rises only when a new reality has already been set in motion, and the former order struggles to hold its ground, as your old self makes its last desperate stand before surrendering to the new state you have claimed. Picture the instant you resolve to leave the life that confines you, only for sudden praise or urgent trouble to rise, pleading for your return to bondage. Recall the day you affirmed abundance as yours, and at once unforeseen demands surge forth, parading themselves as proof of your folly. Remember stepping boldly toward a higher vision of yourself, and immediately the voices of the past advanced, great in familiarity to lure you back. I tell you, these are not signs of failure. They are the trembling convulsions of the outer world as it bows to your assumption, the sound of an old order collapsing to clear the way for the reality you have already established. Every pause that shakes you, every obstacle that dares to bar your path, is no sabotage, but sacred construction, the invisible framework aligning itself to bear the world you have already claimed. Delays are not denial. They are fulfillments, deliberate rhythm, arranging appointments you could never script. What seems an interval is the very step that ensures the bridge cannot fail. For every prior assumption must finish its course before the new state stands revealed. The call you almost missed, the door that redirected you, the unexpected voice that reminded you of your power. All of these are parts of the bridge that will one day appear obvious. Stand where your desire is already complete. Speak and move as if no other possibility exists. Let the world exhaust itself against your certainty. It will bend, for creation has no choice but to serve the state you have assumed. So I demand of you, whenever doubt knocks, re-enter your scene, not begging, not questioning, but living from the completed act. Let the feeling of the accomplished end overrule every appearance. Stand as though the world itself has already surrendered to your assumption, for it must. Tonight, revisit the scene of your triumph. See the letter in your hands, announcing the news you had claimed. Hear the laughter of those celebrating you. Feel the weight of success already resting in your hands. Let the world say fantasy. Let them say you are foolish. Let appearances roar. They are mere fleeting noises, powerless to command. Persist in the assumption, loyal to the unseen reality. For only the bold and faithful behold the miracle the world calls impossible. I assure you, the Lord never fails. The bridge cannot fail. The path is already fixed beneath you, unseen but certain, moving you without error toward the outcome guaranteed, the instant you dare to assume.